Hi, my name is Chris. I'm one of the physical therapists at Henry Ford Hospital, and today I'm going to show you how to safely use a walker. First, you want to get in the proper position to safely stand, so scoot yourself forward closer to the edge of the chair. Then position your feet properly. You want them flat on the floor and underneath you. You may want to have the foot of your operated leg out slightly in front of you to make it a little less painful and easier for you when you stand. Then place one hand on the walker. You will use this hand to help pull yourself up to standing. Then place the other hand on the arm of the chair. You will use this hand to push yourself up to standing. Now, pushing down through your legs and using your arms, come to a standing position. For some people, it is easier to come to a standing position by placing both hands on the arms of the chair, pushing up, and then reaching for the walker as you stand. This technique is also safe for you to use. Never come to a standing position while pulling up with both hands on the walker. You run the risk of losing your balance and falling backwards. Once standing, place both hands on the walker and get both feet fully underneath you. Make sure you feel steady, that you have your balance before you start to walk. Once you are safely standing, you move the walker in front of you first, then step forward with the operated leg. Then, pressing your hands down into the walker, bring the non-operated leg forward. You continue with this sequence of walker, operated leg, non-operated leg continuously while you are walking. When you are turning, you want to take small steps to turn around with the walker. You can turn either to your right or your left side, whichever is easier for you. You will turn the walker, then step with one foot, then the other foot. Don't pivot or twist on your operated leg while you are turning. To sit down, back up to the chair by stepping back with the non-operated leg first, then the operated leg, then bring the walker back. You want to continue this sequence until you feel the chair against the back of your legs. One hand will then come off the walker and reach for the arm of the chair as you slowly lower yourself down into the chair. You might find it more comfortable if you slide your operated leg forward. Some people find it easier to reach for and place both hands on the arms of the chair and then lower themselves down into the chair. Either technique is safe for you to use. Once you have lowered yourself fully down into the chair, use both hands on the arms of the chair to fully scoot yourself back into the chair. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found this helpful.